This Invision digital dash kit is a custom fit for the 1971 through 1973 Ford Mustang, so it looks like it belongs on the car and not just something thrown on. But when you turn on the car and the dash lights up with the Autometer logo, you know it's something special. With the 4 different user selectable screens, you can make the dash light up in your own style. It is an all-in-one dash that monitors the speedometer, tachometer, fuel level, oil pressure, water temperature, and volts all in one place, which makes monitoring your car's internal workings easier than ever. The speedometer calibrates to OEM or aftermarket speed sensors to make sure you keep your money in your pocket and not paying fines. And the adjustable tachometer can calibrate to many different engine types, so no matter your build, this dash will be a great fit. The Invision digital dash also has integrated lights for high beam headlights and turn signals, as well as instrument warnings and a user selectable warning light. And the 12.3-inch LCD display gives you a high-resolution color display to see your gauges even in the darkest of areas. The Invision digital dash has taken all the necessary tools for day-to-day driving and made them much cooler. If you are interested in purchasing the Invision digital dash kit from Autometer or looking to have it installed, check out our store locator in the description. Thanks for watching. See you next time on In the Garage.